Hi there, this is a short video on how we calculate the total achievement of the branch strategy 2021-2025. So based on suggestion from the British Red Cross, Kevin in particular, what we have decided to do from this year 2023 going forward is divide each strategy target by year into years. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 years. Nothing is there for 2021 because the implementation of the strategy only started in 2022. So with that, that's why you're not seeing 2021. So start with the key. So work is given scores. Basically, work have been started on any objective output, we would give it a score of 0.5. Once it's at its point where it's running smoothly, the task is completed, everything is on point for completion, we give it a score of 1. And if there's some works begin, like we just started emailing our partners or whatever the case would be, something has started, an initiation started, but not fully on track, not fully working smoothly, we give it a 0.2. So the scores will be then placed in this area for each objective, each output. So you see 0.5, you see 0.2. That's what these scores are coming from. They're then tallied in the year column and divided by the 5 years. As you can see here, divided by the 5 years, and then all will we get an average of all the years, and this is the score that you'll be seeing on the summary chart over here. So RSP 1.1, we get the 41% completion, 41% completion based on our projections and our happenings and actions. It's updated every 3 months. I have a last update section here, a last modified section here, so we keep a track when it was last updated, and so anyone going to it will see, I have a good idea what's happening. So that's what we've done for all the objectives, all outputs, outcomes within the branch. We divided by the 4 or 5 years, and each one is scoring based on what's happening. Alright, that's it. Thank you.